So I'm here. This is my second day on set. New family. We're in Queens. I haven't met this family yet. I'm really excited. I'm also very, very nervous. We're gonna have one day, a half a day actually, to declutter this space. And I know I have seen a photo and there is a lot of stuff. And so I hope I can do this. I hope it can inspire and motivate them. I'm also feeling insecure because I don't have hair and makeup. I do my own hair and makeup, and you guys know I'm not good at this. I'm not good at hair and makeup, but I wear my Doc Martens, and so I'm feeling like a baddie. So I'm just gonna try to channel that energy while decluttering today. So we are in the basement. There's a lot of stuff. TC's getting stuff falling on his head.
More jars, Kat.
More jars. I'm feeling overwhelmed. This is the biggest project I have done to date, ever, in my life. So I'm feeling overwhelmed. And the homeowners are too, so fingers crossed it works out. Hi, Heidi.
Hey, Cass.
Right.
Hey.
So, we don't necessarily need these, so...
And they're going.
Okay.
Why are you
That's
so
made it
nice?
easy. All right.
So I just got home after my second day on set. It's 9:30. I started at 8:30, so 13 hours. I'm pooped. You guys, I am absolutely exhausted. I have to get up tomorrow at 6:30 and do it all over again. So I'm excited. I will be at a different house tomorrow. I'm going to show you some sneak peeks of that too, so stay tuned. Hey guys, so I'm going out today to do some errands. I have to pick up some clothes for the show so I can look effortlessly cool. Apparently my wardrobe is not the best. I'm going out to see what I can find. I thought I'd bring you along. We can do like a New York shop with me vlog style video because I'm very bored. So come on, let's go.
You got a smile that makes the sun rise. You make it shine. But I can see that you don't realize. And that's what made me fall in love. 'Cause you got style, the way your body makes my heart beat sound. It's amazing all the time. You are the only thing I need.
So I wasn't able to try any of these on in the change room, but I did get a couple of outfits. I love this yellow and white striped sweater from the Gap with these lightly distressed light jeans and my white Calvins. How cute! We also have these dark skinny jeans with the Banana Republic t-shirt and the Banana Republic like plaid shirt over top. It's very like, I'm working. This is like for decluttering days. We also have this gray t-shirt with the Banana Republic open with black skinny jeans and my Converse. Or we have, I feel like this is so military, but I love this so much. We have this green Gap t-shirt with this denim shirt. I'll just cuff the sleeves with my black skinny jeans and Doc Martens. Gosh, I love these Doc Martens so much. They're actually Isabel's. So these are all of the outfits that I got. Let me know which one is your favorite, and I'll wear it tomorrow when I'm on set. Hey guys, thanks so much for those of you who have stayed to the end. So I do this horrible thing on set. I don't know why I do it, but every time the cameras cut, that's when I feel very comfortable with the homeowners and we start talking about organizing and their style and like things I want to do in their house. And then when the cameras go on, I get really nervous. I'm like, which is weird because I YouTube. You know what I mean? But I do get a little awkward and the homeowners are a little awkward. So when the cameras cut, that's when we can just really relax. And so my poor producer Heidi, every day, she's like, Cass, don't talk to the homeowners. Like just stay away from them. Don't talk to them. You're not allowed to talk to them unless the cameras are on because you'll say stuff, you'll give stuff away, you'll blab, you'll make mistakes. So I'm like, okay, Heidi, I got this. No problem. And every day I mess up and I think she thought I was doing it on purpose. And I'm really not. I don't know if it's ADHD. I don't know if it's bad memory. I don't know if it's like, I just don't know what I'm doing. But yesterday, the homeowners, they were really attached to this one item. And I was like thinking about how I could let it go. And Heidi's like, yeah, I really want you to like get to the emotion in the bottom of this. And then they were like, we gotta change batteries. So they cut, everybody took a break. And I was just talking to the homeowners. And I was like, you know what? I really think you're struggling with this because of this. And then they were like, yeah, I think you're, and we had like this moment and we negotiated how much they could keep. And there was like this lovely, emotional, amazing moment. And then Heidi walks back in and I look at her and I'm like, oh my God. I feel so bad. But this is what I do. All the good stuff is not on camera because I am really bad at this. But hopefully we're still gonna pull things together, but I don't act. So saying it again, this isn't an acting show, that's not scripted, it's just natural, it's real life. We just want it to be like a free-flowing conversation. But if I have all of the conversations before the cameras are rolling, there's not much of a show, is there? I'm gonna get this, you guys. I am gonna figure this out.